Hi, welcome back at Hawk Academy. Today I discuss about the Microsoft PowerPoint, which is popular software tool used by professional educators and students worldwide to create visual presentation. It offers a wide range of features and capabilities that make it a versatile tool for conveying information and engaging audience. However, like any other technology, PowerPoint has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Okay, so today I discuss about the basic uses of PowerPoints. Here you see that this is a blank page of PowerPoint. Okay, and this is here is various option as Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. Okay, and you see that this is insert and this is design and this is transition, animation, slideshow, record, review, view, help, etc. You see that various pop-up and various options are available here. Okay, and first of all I try to delete this because of delete this, and I create new one. Here you see that this is new slide. Okay, and you see I can create new slide. Okay, and you see that this is office theme. Okay, that means various types of slide are available here. This is title and this is title and content, and this is section header and two content header, and this is comparison header. Okay, first of all you see that this is title header. Okay, title header, and if you want to present something you can write here. Okay, first of all you write here is PowerPoint. Okay, and you can write here various types of as your necessities, and first of all you can write here it's very important, and you also write here PowerPoint can help you to present your project. Okay, and you can write here and you can add here bullet. Various types of bullet are available here, and you can also design here, and you can also enlarge this. Okay, it's as like as Microsoft Words. Okay, and you can also design here. Okay, so this is basic, and you can bold this, and you can and underline, and you can italic, and you can change the letter headings and letter format. Okay, everything you can do, and you can change the color. Everything are available here. Okay, and now I try to show you the others design Microsoft PowerPoint. Here you see that this is two content. Okay, this is two content means here you see that one content and another content. Okay, and you can write here the advantage and disadvantage of PowerPoint. Okay, and here you write advantage, and here you write disadvantage. Okay, and you can understand your audience by this. Okay, and now I show you the comparison. This is also very unique item, and you also comparison anything. Okay, such as you can comparison between two animals, and you can comparison between the right and wrong of social engagement and social program, and you can write here anything. So, and now I try to show you content with caption. Here you see that this item are content with caption, and this is picture with caption. You can add here any picture and write here any caption. Okay, here you see that you use this by, okay, caption is very nice, and you can write here, and you can write here the details of this photo, and you can write here the caption. Okay, and you see that you can also section this slide. Here you see 5 slide. Okay, and add section. First of all, start from here, add section, and you can write 4 slide. Okay, here you see that this is a section. Okay, this is a section, and you can hide this section as your personal, and you can also enlarge this section, and you can rename this. The name is 10 slide. Okay, this is 10 slide. You see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Here you see that this is 10 slide, and I can hide this collapse all. Okay, and you can keep here a lot of PowerPoint slide as your important presentation. Okay, you see that, and you can expand all, and also, okay, this is expand all. You see that this is expand all. So it's very important for anyone who can present him or herself and his or her project. Okay, in PowerPoint I can show you how you insert a photo. You see this is online picture. If you add any online picture, you can add here the link. Okay, and here you see that this is picture. This is the picture from your desktop. You see that this is desktop. Okay, and you can also design various impressive design are available here. Okay, you see that various impressive design, and here you also see that this is insert the icon. If you want to insert any icon, you can write here, and this is smart art graph. If you need to present more beautiful and impressive to your audience, you can write any theme from here. Here you see that this is very impressive present. Okay, and you see that this is various color design are available here. Okay, and you also see here 3D model, and you can attach here insert video. Okay, if you want to add any video, you can add here. So now I try to show you how you make here a table. Okay, which is very important. Here you see that this is table, this is row number 5 and column number 5 and row number 2. You see that the table are already prepared, and you can design as like as Microsoft Excel and what. Okay, and you also add here the chart. Okay, this is chart. This is line chart, bar chart, pie chart, area chart, everything you can add here. Okay, here you see that this is data management option. You can add everything. So the Microsoft PowerPoint, which is customized software and which is very important for anyone, and you can also here this is animated option, and your presentation should be animated, and this is transition, and you can design or movement your PowerPoint. Okay, and here you see that this is various types of design and color are available here. You see the color are very impressive and important for any new user, and you can design the front color, okay, front color and effective and background style and color. You see that this is very important, and you can also customize here the slide size. Okay, this is wide skin and this is standard skin, and you can do it, this is standard skin. So hope that you understand well, and this is today's basic PowerPoint, and I will show you the details and advanced Microsoft PowerPoint in next video. So stay tuned with Hawk Academy. Thank you everyone.